Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change number on GCash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So changing your number on GCash is important if you have switched SIM cards or want to use a different mobile number. So to do this, you need to follow the best method possible, which is create a new GCash account with your new number. GCash does not let you change your registered number within the same account, so you need to register the new number as a new GCash account by simply tapping on delete account and creating a new one. As you tap on update account information, you cannot find the option to change your mobile number. So first of all, before changing your number, you need to transfer funds and services if needed, and optionally ask for deactivation of your old account by tapping on the help option. So this is how you can simply change number on GCash. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.